Hello guys, so welcome to tonight's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I am going to start with tonight's show. So many things, facts, man, so many important news. Now, the Daily Mail, the Sun, BILD, and some other media houses are saying all together Arsenal have opened talks with Nico Williams' camp over summer transfer. Let's start with the Sun reportage. So they say Arsenal in talks with Nico Williams' agents over bargain £48 million move for Atletico Bilbao star, but face war with Bayern Munich. You know, say Bayern Munich get many players who be, let's say, their contract expire, all those guys, Leroy Sané and some other people. So then they look who they're going to take replace all these outgoing players. Now, when you read the entirety of this particular report coming out from the Sun, they say Arsenal have contacted Nico Williams' representatives about a bargain summer transfer, according to reports. Now, the Gunners are hoping to significantly bolster their attack ahead of next season. End for there. So they say Bayern said the reason was now, according to BILD reporter Christian Falk, waiting for Germany there. So now if talk and say Arsenal have opened a dialogue with the Williams management team over a potential summer move. Remember, say this player he gets buyout clause of 48 million. Yes. So, but people they talking his salary, now go be the issue. And now Bayern they compete with us. Now, when you look at the outputs of Nico Williams for this particular season, he got up to 23 games, then goals, he scored 4 goals, then he got 5 assists. Then look at shot on targets, you get 15, which means off targets will be more, you get, because at least it shows say inside shoots from outside at least. Now, the one we can really tickle my fancy, will really make me feel attracted to him the more, is the chances created, 37. At least, I don't know whether they're big chances or normal chances, but at least they create for a teammate and leaving them to bury these chances. Now, people will ask, Sir Chus, why transfer news will come out now? Why are we hearing all these things? The reason is because people they take preemptive measures. Clubs now they want to do what Chelsea is doing now. Look at what Chelsea did to Manchester United with Coenda. That guy they play for Sporting Lisbon. Coenda and a player we say Manchester United they pursue. They try to see how they will reduce the price of the guy. The coach of Manchester United, now former coach in Amorim don't follow the guy talk before. So that is why Chelsea from nowhere agree and just get an agreement done before the official transfer window go open. Do secret medical. Is it illegal? No. Is it within the ambits of the law? Yes. You get. But there's a caveat. So I want to put normal. A player when they contracted to another club, you're not supposed to even go to full and talk. Say, can't sign for me. You're supposed to wait till when the window don't open. But because it is not like it is against the law, but it's against like the ethics, yes, just against let me say transfer ethics. Say player when they contracted, just they under the realm of disrespect. Don't be say maybe you get one law, one place so come hold you say if you law player. No, I don't think so. I stand to be corrected. Anyway, if anybody can point to me where the clause and the sub kinikon day you get. So for now, everybody they look to do that. And so will it be bad? If Arsenal self come and say, they agree deals in advance, that's what I expected them to be doing. This was successful. They shall say, I want to sign Sesko. Get an agreement done in advance. Like what Chelsea is doing. With all the players waiting for Chelsea disposal, they are still getting deals done. So that's what I expect. Now, the Daily Mail, the same way Arsenal opened talks in Nico Williams' camp over summer transfer, but face strong competition from European heavyweights for Atletico Bilbao star. The same thing we are seeing. You get. For you to know, say this interest, and make I even bust your brain. Do you remember far back? I think it was in January. David Einstein came out and said Arteta told the Kroenkes he wants this boy, this Nico Williams boy. He wants him because the amount they will bring and come here is an affordable rate, so we can afford. His salary how much was here? We can cover it. You get. So they don't let you know. Say we really like. We look at our short list, transfer short list is there. So that one self day. Now, moving on, let's go on to other stories. Another two will come here now. You get. Now, say Chelsea agree another deal with midfielder Dario Esugo from the same Sporting Lisbon. Where they collect Coenda because you know say Based on those sporting when they perform, they don't turn shop right. At the end of the season, everybody go there. Go they pick players. We say when they go there, Bukere is there. So everybody go there. Everybody go there. Shana, what team you show for me? Some people go there, go to select player. And based on say Chelsea don't sign Kuenda, so they have a good relationship with them. That's why they're going for this other player. Well, we'll just watch and see how things they unfold. Now, David Ornstein of the Athletic come outside today come to say, as far as we know, Martin Zubimendi is at a very advanced stage, and the anticipation inside Arsenal is that he will be coming in. If that gets completed, it's a significant financial outlay, as will be the case of when Arsenal want to get a striker. Now, Mokufe handle that matter. You see what they talk about doing preemptive strikes and all that to get the preemptive negotiation. This transfer window never finish. But how is it that we are able to get an agreement with this Martin Zubimendi and Real Sociedad? And now we're there for advanced stage. Maybe I say money never change, though. That's still verbal. But now the discussion the advanced stage, you get, which means we are discussing with Zubimendi, we are discussing with Real Sociedad. In some cases, the club will give you the blessing to follow the player talk, even though transfer window never open officially. So what we are doing with Zubimendi is what I expect us to do with Sesko, but it's not coming forth. Now, the second paragraph, there's also other work to do because Arsenal are looking at a wide attacker, a winger, and they are waiting for Nipan, you get of Rosenborg. Remember, I told you one side the guy in the past, he doesn't want wait, messes in the end. Yeah, so he even traveled from Emirates, he went to Manchester City. Man City one side, but the one can go for one of the conglomerated clubs. No be saying that Man City one main play for Congo. Now, the same possible wide attacker, we are waiting for Nipan's decision. Then perhaps something in defense, one or two goalkeepers, and although there will be exits, I'm not sure recruiting Zubimendi. Okay, I think we've taken that one in the morning. So now, so everything they go for now. Away from that, David Ornstein also, okay, I think these football transfers, they re-echo the sentiments we just hear now say Arsenal be for advanced stage with Real Sociedad and Zubimendi. So anyway, that one same day. Now, away from that, looking for our first message from one of our sponsors, Adexwella Aluminium and Glass. So they are into aluminium window doors, frameless glass, stainless rail, then sunbreaker and cladding, aluminium roofing, office partition, cashier cubicles, and many more. So if you want to call them, reach out to them, you can call them on 070-8638-9722. Yes, so if you want to reach out to them, you can contact them. And if you want to visit their office, so they are located at number 64 Itire Road, Kayode Bishop, Kayode Bus Stop, I said Bishop, Kayode Bus Stop, Mushi, Lagos. So if you're interested in any of their services, please do reach out to them. Now, away from that also, now David Ornstein, okay, I think we've taken this particular story, but let's take this other story. Now, for the games where they play today, I don't know how many of you have watched the things that happened today. Look at Man City. In the morning, I mentioned and say I expect Brighton to take points off this Manchester City. Shey not happen so. This is the same Man City where people they talk say they go beat Arsenal to the top 4. They go push us come on for the top 2. They go do this, they go do that. How was the match? The match anybody could have won it. Brighton could have won. Manchester City could have won that match. That was how like close it really did. You see that fear factor waiting for the Etihad, it don't spoil. You get Man City, they don't press spoil. That fear factor, you know, they there again. You get. So we now, I'm gonna go do our own business. Nottingham Forest now they beat Ipswich 4-2. So by the fact that they don't beat Ipswich, Nottingham Forest are 1 point behind us now. Like this, they do 1 point behind us. They are about maybe 6 points ahead of Manchester City. So Chelsea now, if Chelsea go beat us now, Chelsea go leapfrog Man City and for fourth now. Give them small gap, maybe 2 points or thereabouts, or 3 points safe. I don't even know. Yeah. So more just see how things go. We need to beat Chelsea tomorrow. Very, very important because this one is Nottingham Forest. Just the Gummers, I don't just understand what to be their plan. Although if we beat Chelsea, Nottingham Forest next game, na Manchester United. So we say our next game, no, I'm not going to be one of all those. Will be like Manchester United. So maybe my fee knock them because that second place we must make sure say we hold on strong, hold on tight. Okay, so that one day. Now Arsenal, I can check for the Arsenal website. They post pictures of the Arsenal team preparing seriously for the match we'll get against this people in Chelsea on Sunday, the London Derby. So this Martinelli training, nobody Martinelli. I see Odegaard in high spirit. Odegaard said the ginger Merino. You get all of them, they very, very happy. Man, so Skelly, Tewaneri, like everybody, the ginger, rice. You get so Saliba, I see them. I was very, very happy with what I saw. So good. Yes, yes. So we'll see how we're going to set up tomorrow. And based on say Martinelli don't come back, we'll know whether he don't do fit enough to start. And Ben White then go start. Like, I'm keenly interested in seeing how our lineup will be tomorrow. Now Arsenal, let us say Mikel Arteta is keen for Arsenal to wrap up a deal for Joan Garcia early ahead of next season. Now, this guy, now one of the best keepers in La Liga this season. In fact, I make I know that for you. This night, I watch them Espanyol versus Rimayoka. Even though Rimayoka beat them, I think 2-1. Garcia played fantastically. This guy will challenge Raya. The guy did very, very good with the ball at his feet. He even catch penalty today. The guy did very, very good. Now short stop IB. He can play with the ball with on his feet. Like he will trouble Raya. So if he enter, Raya will sit up. I was going to tell you. And when he comes in fact, somebody was even telling me that CHUKS, this Garcia, because person already tell me about the guy. So make me go watch him. Say the guy good. So the person going to talk say, if this guy coming, are you not sure we are not going to be having another Aaron Ramsdale on our hands? Like a number 2 keeper, we go first day there the first season. After the first season, we say, oh, I love stay here. I love stay here, be number 2. Because I wanted to happen for Liverpool now. Kelleher, they thought say one come out. Say no be be under the skinny con of Alisson. Say no be do amo. Say the reason to come out. Look at what is happening to Manchester City. Go see they don't put Ortega. They put Ortega now. You get carry first shot. Say sit down. Listen. Say me Ortega they play. You get so we don't want that kind of situation. We want to destabilize the atmosphere for Arsenal. Sadly, the way Ramsey they go now, the guy will record in 3rd relegation in his career. You get because Ramsey made a schoolboy error today. Simple nothing. Where go cash? Well, you cannot talk that one. Not be our player again. Maybe. Now, Nuno Mendes, who's one of the PSG strong defenders, will carry Salah for in pockets. But back when we talk about the toughest opponents we either ever face, say Saka. Say Saka always is very, very. No say we say we don't play PSG. So the guy they testify again. That's why I dey root for Saka to come back against Real Madrid. In as much as Madrid are the overwhelming favorites, we still have an outside chance, especially with Saka on our side. So yeah, so anybody want to play with Saka 1v1, and Madrid don't play, say that they gang up, they put 2 men, at least we stand a teeny weeny little bit of chance. So if Saka don't come there, I will say we don't press point for the battle. So we'll just see how it go be sharp. Now let's make a message from one of our sponsors, Mobile World Associates and Co Limited. They're into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate and shore protection works, and mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, you can call them on +234 80 2234, and they're located at number 7 the Kennywood Road, Oreazi, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. So if you're interested in any of their services, please do reach out to them. Now, the biggest news of the night, the fact that the Daily Mail, the Sun, BILD, all of them, they talk say Arsenal now open talks with Nico Williams camp over a summer transfer. Arsenal they very, 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 very serious. And Bayern said don't enter the race. If Bayern they interested, we send company, the reason say he won't carry Nico Williams, go over to Germany. More they see, because Andrea Berta had a stronghold in the transfer policies of La Liga. So in getting hand long, you get in leg long. So most see whether I go fit call up this Nico Williams, throw our bag. Preach for Atlanta, say you are coming in to come and challenge the status quo here to see how we can win the league and liberate Arsenal. We'll see, sha. So, my dear Atalobas, I think it's a prime place for us to call the show and end. So, I come your way tomorrow morning to give you the morning news. Till then, thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your night. Now, good night. I don't like your mouse. All right, guys. Bye.